Hello, Mike here from your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Today, talk about automatic passive income. Before that though, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please click the subscribe button below. Then next to the subscribe button, click the little black bell for notifications for when my next video comes out. As I said at the beginning of this video, automatic passive income. Is a passive income automatic? Well, yes it is, but you still have to do work to get an automatic passive income. It doesn't happen by you just doing, say, like I do YouTube videos, by just doing a couple of YouTube videos, then sitting back and thinking, oh, I'm going to make lots and lots of money. I'm afraid to say it doesn't work like that. You still have got to do work to get an automatic passive income. Now, if you're a beginner, then you've got a tremendous amount of work to do. You've got to learn, you've got to learn how to do or how to earn a passive income, as there is a proven strategy of which way to do it. It doesn't happen overnight. So many people think that they, as I said just now, they make a couple of videos and next thing they're making goodness knows how much money. Well, I'm afraid it doesn't work like that. You have got to put the work in. And especially, as I said, when you start at the beginning, it takes months and months and months of work before you start to earn money. It takes many, many hours a day learning how to do it, what you have to do, and having to be able to earn an income online. Yes, once you start getting traction and you start bringing money in online, then you don't do quite so much work. But it doesn't matter at what stage you are, you have to do the work. If we think of a person like, I expect everybody's heard of a person called Richard Branson, a virgin. Now, when he started from a telephone box in London. And all he did was, he went round all the different telephone boxes in and around London, putting up a small card advertising or to buy records from him. But it took hours and hours and hours of work for him to do this. It took many, many months before he started even selling his first record. But he kept going. And this is what you have to do. He would stand by that telephone, because what he would do on those cards he put in telephone boxes, he put a telephone box number there, where he just sat by that telephone box waiting for people to ring to order a record from him. And it took many months before he even got his first sale, but he kept going at it. And this is what you have to do when you want to earn a passive income. It's no use thinking, no, it's going to happen overnight, because it does not. It takes months and months and months of hard work. Yes, there are people out there making a lot of money from passive income. Am I a small minnow at the moment? Yes, I am. But am I making money? Yes, I am. But, as I say, you have got to prepare to put the work in. I may keep repeating this, but so many people get to two to 3 months and they have not made a single penny or a dime or a dollar, whichever country you're actually in. I'm from the UK. They give up. Well, this is what you must not do. You've got to keep going until you start making money. As I say, like I do YouTube, it's getting the right keywords out there. But it takes time for Google, who own YouTube, to pick up those keywords. Once they pick them up, and I say you have to have a hell of a lot of videos out there before they do actually pick you up, then you will start to gain traction. Now, many people would turn and tell you need to make at least 100 videos before you will actually get picked up. And this is so very true. It's no use making, as I said earlier in this video, 2 or 3 videos, and then you're going to expect to start to, you're hoping or you're thinking you are going to start making money. I'm afraid to say, my friends, it does not work like this. You have got to put the work in. Now, you might be saying, I don't know how to do this. Well, this is where I can help you. First of all, you will see down below, I have a free ebook. And in that free ebook, it will tell you how to get started. And one of the main things you need when you get started is to build yourself a brand name. As my brand name is Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Now you will have to do the same, get yourself a brand name so people will know who you are. Now, you're saying, how do I get a brand name? Well, the best way to get a brand name is to go somewhere like GoDaddy, where you can buy a website name and put names in there and see if somebody's got a website with the name you've got. If they haven't, well, then the best bet then is to buy that website name. Now, you might be saying, no, I don't want to build a website. Don't worry about that. That is not the point of this. This is getting your name out there so nobody else can actually take your name and you can actually register yourself with a website. You can also, if you want, also depending which country you're in, you can actually also register that name within your country. So that, as I say again, nobody cannot use your brand name. But this is one of the first things you've got to learn how to do this. Now, I've also in this free ebook, which you will see down below, the link below, will tell you all about that and more information about other things also. Now, also to be able to learn, once you've got your brand name, you've got to and you're still not sure what to do, and you don't know how to do affiliate marketing. You will see below my free ebook a link to 15 steps to success, and this is a course which will show you and help you how to become an affiliate marketer, which I can thoroughly recommend. Now, yes, you can go direct to that course, or if you download my free ebook, which you, as I say, is down below, I will then afterwards send you a link for this course for you to look at. Now, you don't have to do it, but what I do recommend is you actually look at it and see if this course is for you, because you need to learn how to do this. You need to have a proven strategy, or you need to follow, should I say, a proven strategy how to make money online, or as I say, to get a passive income. So I thoroughly recommend this. So if you'd like to download this down below, and then this will get you started on your journey, and you can join me on this journey to make money online. Now, also, as I said at the beginning of this video, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. This is Mike signing off from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer.